Got me a little light stand. And I'll go ahead on and finish and take this off. I already know what it looks like now. I've already taken some of these things off. And I need to go and get my bolts. Put them in the bag. Like my gloves? I got these off of Amazon. I've never tried them before. Nitrile gloves. Or is it nitrile gloves? I don't know. See it by Inspire. Inspire. It's my first time really using them, so I don't know if they're going to work or not. Hell, you can't even see that, can you? No, you can't. Well, anyway, these are the gloves that I'm using. Let me see if I can bag it up some. Anyway, light track gloves by Inspire. Link in description below. Maybe. I really don't care about descriptions right now. All I want to do is just get this done. I just say that maybe. I am an Amazon associate. Don't ask me what I just did. Thought that would come right off because I had already taken it off once before. So I'm expecting a whole bunch of fluid to come out. Let's go ahead and take this off. So I might get a chance to use this. Probably not. I don't know about a kid that's going to give me a gasket tore off. Well, there it is. There it is. There's the pan. Now he says to put the pan on the bench. I'll do it for a little while, but this pan got some weight on it. My bench is not that sturdy. So I'll put it over here just temporarily. Clean it all up and then get back with it. So this is the... I think he said he wants to take off, that's all as far as we got, I think, was this. Well, he wants to take this off. That's what he wants to do. This is lesson 3. He wants to take all of this off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let that drain for a day until tomorrow or something, and I'm going to come back tomorrow. Then we'll start taking this off. Okay, guys. I will check you guys out later. Let's see if we can get it really good. There it goes. Yeah, there it is. See? Get my gloves back over here. Night. Inspire. It's hard to tell how this thing is rolling here. I don't know if that's looking right or not, guys. But if it is, so be it. Looks like is it upside down? It looks like maybe it's upside down. I don't know. But these gloves are thick, man. They got 100 of them. 6mm. I didn't get the 8mm. I got the 6mm. You ain't got to worry about these breaking right away. And I'll let you know how it turns out. Now, yeah, I think he's gonna take these off, these bolts out next. We'll pick back up again tomorrow after all this stuff drains. And I'll talk to you guys later. Again, coming at you from Gin.com, 1975 Firebird, True Phoenix. It's me. Y'all take it easy. Talk to y'all later.